Hey folks, most of us would have gotten your B school admits and you're all set to leave to your campus. You might have to pack your bags, and I'm pretty sure most of you have started doing it. But we all live in this world where all of us, if not all of us, most of us have this absent mindedness to miss out something and realize it only after you reach your destination. It could be starting from the simplest toothbrush to your towels to your shoes to belt. It could be anything. So I'm pretty sure we all have experienced it. If not you, at least I have done it. I've traveled to multiple places only to realize that I've missed out on something. Oh, packing is always a tricky stuff. It's always going to be tricky. And if you're packing for 2 years, if not 2 years, maybe a few months before you come back home, packing for a few months is always going to be challenging. There's quite a lot to cover and slightly difficult to remember that if you have packed everything. So it's always good to carry a checklist. Have a checklist, check whether every item is ticked, and then if it's done, we are good. But then there's quite a lot to pack, right? How do I create a checklist? Worry not. We are providing you with a free downloadable PDF of one checklist where you should carry every item to your B school now. The link is there in the description below. Click it, download the file, check every item if you have packed it, run to your B school. Have a great year ahead. All the best.